Stop.
Picture this. A foreign couple asks, "Can you take a picture for us?" You panic and record 20 videos of your own shoes. Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily camera disaster.
Today we share 3 magic phrases. Phrase 1, take a picture. It means snap a photo.
Take a picture. So I just point and tap, right?
Phrase 2, say cheese. We say it right before the click.
Say cheese. My smile is ready already.
Phrase 3, one more. We use it when the photo is blurry.
One more. I will need that one a lot.
Stick around until the end. Leo will share how he made a tourist's wife sigh out loud. It is hilarious.
Please do not remind me. I wanted to vanish behind the temple wall.
Last summer, Leo visited a beautiful temple. A British couple walked over with a tiny camera. Leo, tell us what happened.
I will tell you, but please do not laugh too loud. It still hurts.
I promise to laugh quietly. Take us back to that moment.
The wife smiled and said, "Hey, can you take a picture for us?" My brain just froze.
Oh no, what did you say next?
I tried to be friendly. I asked, "How to say it? Push this button?"
Oh no, Leo, that just made it worse.
I knew that the second I said it. Her smile froze right in place.
A frozen smile is the worst review on planet Earth.
I know. She blinked at me twice.
That blink says everything.
So I pointed at the bright sky. I said, "Open the light." The sun was too strong.
Open the light? You wanted to switch off the sun?
In my head, it made perfect sense. Her husband stepped in to rescue us.
Brave husband.
He said, "Just press the round button, mate." I pressed it and recorded a video.
A video of what exactly?
40 seconds of my own dusty shoes.
40 seconds of your shoes.
My shoes were not even clean. They had temple dust everywhere.
That is bonus shame, Leo. You added free shoe dust footage.
Then I tried to be sweet. I said, "I very like your camera."
Oh dear, Leo.
The wife smiled politely. The husband sighed loudly. They walked away fast.
Did they get a single good photo?
Not one. I still held their camera bag.
You held their bag too?
They had to come back for it. The wife said, "Thank you, sir." Her voice was tired.
That is painful to picture.
I went home and ate 3 bowls of noodles. Pure stress eating.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry. We've got the fix.
3 magic phrases are coming up.
All right, Leo. Time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes. Scene 1. We are at a colorful flower wall. Cameras click and tourists laugh everywhere.
Sounds packed. Who am I asking today?
I will play the kind stranger. You ask me politely.
Got it. Hi there. Sorry to bother you. Can you take a picture for us?
Of course. Where should you stand?
Just in front of the pink flowers, please. Press the big white button on the screen.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Take a picture.
So you mean I just hand my phone and explain one tiny step?
Exactly. One short sentence is enough. Polite, clear, easy.
That feels so smooth. No frozen brain this time.
Listen to the rhythm. Can you take a picture for us? It is one calm question.
Oh, like short and friendly beats long and panicked?
Always. Native speakers love short questions. Long ones sound nervous.
Tina, what if my voice is shaky? My throat dries up around strangers.
Take one slow breath first. Smile before you speak. The breath gives your voice power.
Got it. Breath, smile, then the magic question.
Now you sound like a tour guide, not a tourist. That works for kind strangers. But what if the person is in a huge hurry? Let's see. Scene 2. Picture a busy street near a small coffee shop. The smell of coffee is everywhere.
I can almost taste it.
A man walks fast with his phone in hand. Leo, you stop him politely.
Hi there. Sorry, super quick. Can you take a picture for us?
Sure thing, but be fast. Smile now, everyone.
Okay, friends. Ready? Say cheese.
Cheese!
Got it. Thank you so much, sir.
Did you notice? Say cheese is a magic word. It makes everyone smile in 1 second.
Oh, like it is a free smile button for the whole group.
Exactly. It works for kids, parents, and grumpy uncles.
So you mean I can use say cheese even with my grandma?
Especially with your grandma. She will love it.
I will try it tonight. She has not smiled at a camera since 1999.
Tonight could be a family miracle, Leo. Also, try a small wave before you ask. It looks open and warm.
So you mean body language helps the words land softer?
Exactly. A wave plus say cheese is unbeatable.
Tina, that part was easy. But what if the first photo is totally blurry?
Scene 3. We stand at the top of a windy hill at sunset.
I can feel the wind already.
The clouds are pink and orange. A young couple is laughing nearby. You took their photo, but their eyes are closed.
Oh no, both of them blinked at the same second.
Stay calm. Just smile and ask kindly. One more?
Hey guys, sorry, one more? The light is perfect right now.
They will not mind. Travelers love a second chance.
Got it. So one more is a polite fix, not a big apology?
Right. 2 short words save the whole moment. No long sorry needed.
That is gold. I usually say, sorry, picture bad, please try again. People look so confused.
One more is shorter and warmer. Trust it.
So you mean short words feel more confident than long apologies?
Yes, short means you know what you want. Long means you are panicking.
One more time. What if they walk away too fast?
Just smile and let them go. Some photos are not meant to be.
That is so peaceful. I always chase them like a puppy.
Stop chasing, Leo. The hill will still be there tomorrow. Hold on. Speaking of fixing moments, Leo, did something happen at the mall last week?
Yes. I was buying new jeans. The mirror was tiny.
Wait, how tiny are we talking?
Smaller than my phone. I could only see my left knee.
That is not a mirror. That is a sad postcard.
So I asked the shop assistant to take my photo. I said, "Can you take a picture for us?"
Oh, Leo. Who is the second person?
I had no idea. Maybe my new jeans. She agreed anyway.
And then?
She took the photo. My eyes were closed. I asked, "One more?"
One more turned into how many?
She took 5 more. Each time, my eyes closed.
5 blinks in a row?
The line behind me was growing. A baby started crying loudly.
Did you give up on the photo dream?
I did. I just whispered, "Say cheese," to my own reflection.
Did the staff member smile at you afterwards?
She did. A polite, exhausted smile. I tipped her with a candy from my pocket.
A candy tip. Only Leo could think of that.
I bought the jeans anyway. I needed the win.
Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right this time.
Okay, instant replay. The British couple walks over at the temple. The wife holds her tiny camera with a friendly smile.
Take a slow breath, Leo. Calm voice, 3 magic phrases.
Hi there. Sure, I can take a picture for you. Stand right by the red wall.
Then say the magic word.
Ready? Say cheese.
They are smiling. And if they blink?
One more? The light is lovely right now. Perfect. All done.
No video of your shoes this time?
0 shoes. 2 happy tourists. 1 very proud Leo.
The wife said, "Thank you, sir." This time, her voice sounded delighted.
And she even waved goodbye. I felt like a local hero.
Let's wrap up our 3 magic phrases. Phrase 1, take a picture.
Can you take a picture for us, please?
Phrase 2, say cheese.
Everyone ready? Say cheese.
Phrase 3, one more.
One more? The light is perfect right now.
3 tiny phrases, 1 big confidence boost.
Yes, my phone is ready for any tourist now.
Practice once today. Once a day for 1 week. Your photo skills will fly.
Mine will fly faster than my blink reflex.
Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every single one. Tell us your worst photo moment too. We promise to laugh with you, not at you. Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. You won't want to miss it.
And tag me if your photo turns out great. I need the inspiration.
Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye everyone. Keep your eyes wide open.